Want to know the top 5 techniques for successful seed starting? The art of seed starting is crucial for any garden enthusiast. Our journey today will explore these techniques, each vital in their own right. Stay tuned to discover these simple yet effective techniques. The first technique involves selecting the right seeds. It's essential to choose high-quality seeds to ensure a good harvest. Always check the seed expiration date. Quality seeds have a longer shelf life. Remember, successful gardening starts with the right seeds. Next, consider how you store your seeds before planting. The vitality of your seeds hinges on their storage conditions. Tucked away in a cool, dark, and dry place, seeds retain their ability to sprout. Remember, proper storage is key to ensuring that your seeds remain viable. Thirdly, your seeds need a good start. Just like a marathon runner, seeds thrive with a little warm-up. Consider soaking seeds overnight or use a seed starter mix. This helps to kickstart the germination process. Remember, a little prep work goes a long way in seed starting. The fourth technique involves the actual planting of the seeds. It's crucial to nestle them at the right depth, neither too shallow nor too deep. Equally important is maintaining a moist but not waterlogged soil environment. Getting the depth and watering right can make all the difference. Finally, let's talk about the environment. For successful seed starting, it's all about balance. Providing the right temperature and light conditions is key. Think of it as creating a cozy home for your seeds. Creating the ideal environment is crucial for your seeds to sprout and grow. And there you have it, the top 5 techniques for successful seed starting. We've delved into choosing the right seeds, proper storage, prepping for planting, understanding planting depth and watering, and finally, providing the right environment for your seeds. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in ensuring your seeds sprout into vibrant, healthy plants. So dive in, get your hands a little dirty, and let the magic of nature unfold. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.